In today's digital age, cybersecurity has become a critical concern for individuals and organizations alike. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so does the threat of cyber attacks and data breaches. Effective cybersecurity measures are essential to protect personal and organizational data from malicious actors and to prevent the potentially devastating consequences of cyber attacks. Cybersecurity involves the use of various tools and techniques to protect computer systems, networks, and sensitive information from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. This includes the use of firewalls, encryption, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems, as well as the implementation of best practices for password management and user authentication. In addition to protecting sensitive information, effective cybersecurity measures are also important for ensuring the reliability and availability of critical infrastructure systems, such as those used in the energy and transportation sectors. A cyber attack on these systems could have far-reaching consequences, potentially disrupting entire industries and causing significant economic and social damage. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the methods and tools used by cyber attackers. This means that the need for effective cybersecurity measures will only continue to grow in importance. It is therefore essential for individuals and organizations to stay informed about the latest threats and best practices in cybersecurity, and to take proactive steps to protect their data and systems from harm. This may include regular software updates, employee training on cybersecurity best practices, and the use of specialized cybersecurity services and technologies.